Let's see if you can tell the difference on the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Could you tell the difference? Let me know down in the comments. So Apple's new iPhone 12 Pro Max had a big selling point that it could record video in Dolby Vision HDR. What is HDR? HDR is basically a mode that enables you to capture more details in your shadows and your highlights in video recording. And Dolby Vision is Dolby's HDR software that Apple is using for their iPhone 12 Pro lineup. Let's take a quick look at all the video features on the iPhone 12 Pro Max.